superstar ang nauna orihinal sa kanyang husay at ambag sa sining, kung kaya't siya ang hinirang na pambansang alagad ng sining.
Welcome back po muli sa aking channel. Kung first time po inyong manood, don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Mainit na usapin ngayon kung karapat-dapat ba ang kasabayan ni Ate Guy na magawalan ng pambansang alagad ng sining ay binabaliwala lamang ng ibang Noranyan sapagkat orihinal at nauna at karapat-dapat naman talaga ang nag-iisang superstar, ang mga pamantayan sa pagiging isang national artist ay kanyang nalagpasan ang kanyang ambag sa sining sa industriya at kahusayan sa pagganap ang nagluklok sa kataas-taasang gawad na ito.
Nararapat lamang at karapat-dapat siyang tumanggap ng nag-iisang pinakamataas na citation, which is the National Artist Award.
At sa ibang nominado ay good luck na lamang po sa kanila.
National Artist Award. It is the highest distinction bestowed upon Filipino artists whose body of work is recognized by their peers and more importantly by their countrymen as sublime expression of Philippine music, dance, theater, visual arts, literature, film, and media arts, architecture, and design. These are artists who have promoted Filipino cultural identity and dignity through their art. The Philippine President names them based on the recommendations of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts and the Cultural Center of the Philippines or CCP. Bukod sa ito ang magsisilbing korona ng isang mahusay na artist, of course, there are benefits for those who will get this award. So, every national artist received gold-plated medallion and citation, plus 200,000 pesos cash net of taxes, a monthly life pension worth 50,000 pesos, medical and hospital benefits worth 750,000 pesos every year, life insurance coverage, a place of honor in state functions, and arrangements for on expenses of state funeral. So ito po ang mga benepisyo ng naturang tatanggap ng National Artist Award na siyang pinakamataas na gawad parangal para sa isang artista, hindi lamang sa pelikula kundi sa iba't ibang larangan ng sining. Ang lawak ng sakop ng sining, musika, sayaw, teatro, film, media, at literature, film and media arts, architecture, and design. Truly, the recipient of the National Artist Award are artists who have promoted Filipino cultural identity and dignity through their arts. At hindi kaila sa lahat ng mamamayang Pilipino, bagamat kay laking karangalan ang makilala siya bilang pinakamahusay na artista sa 5 kontinente, siya nga ay talaga namang nararapat lamang at karapat-dapat siyang tumanggap ng nag-iisang pinakamataas na citation, which is the National Artist Award.
Tagumpay at victorious na tayo sa larangang ito for one and only Miss Nora Honor. Kaya wish good luck na lang po natin ang iba and God bless us all.